Did you know that nearly 1 billion people around the world may have low vitamin D? And many of them have no idea. Even more surprising, some of the most common symptoms people ignore every day, fatigue, body pain, mood changes, may actually be warning signs of vitamin D deficiency. Your body needs vitamin D for much more than strong bones. It affects your immune system, brain function, muscles, and even your heart. But here's the scary part. Vitamin D deficiency often develops slowly, quietly, without obvious warning. And if it goes untreated for years, it can increase the risk of serious health problems like osteoporosis, chronic fatigue, depression, and weakened immunity. So how do you know if your body is running dangerously low? Today, we're going to break down the key signs your body may be lacking vitamin D and what you can do to fix it before it harms your long-term health. And trust me, the last sign surprises most people. One of the first warning signs of low vitamin D is constant fatigue and low energy. If you feel tired all the time, even after sleeping well, your body may be struggling with low vitamin D levels. Vitamin D helps your cells produce energy. Without enough of it, your muscles and tissues can't function efficiently. Studies have shown that people with vitamin D deficiency often experience chronic fatigue and general weakness. Many people assume they just need more coffee or better sleep. But sometimes the real problem is happening deep inside the body, at the cellular level. And if your energy keeps dropping, your body might be sending you an early warning signal. But fatigue is just the beginning. The next sign may show up in a place many people never expect. Another major sign of vitamin D deficiency is frequent illness or infections. If you seem to catch every cold, flu, or infection that goes around, your immune system might not be getting the support it needs. Vitamin D plays a critical role in immune defense. It helps activate immune cells that fight viruses and bacteria. Without enough vitamin D, your body becomes less efficient at protecting itself. Research has shown that people with low vitamin D levels are more likely to experience respiratory infections. That means something as simple as sunlight exposure could be weakening your immune system. And over time, that vulnerability can lead to more serious health complications. But there's another warning sign many people mistakenly blame on aging, and it could be hiding in your muscles and joints. Muscle weakness and body pain can also signal low vitamin D. Many adults complain about unexplained aches in the back, legs, or joints. Often they assume it's simply aging, stress, or physical strain. But vitamin D helps regulate calcium and supports proper muscle function. When levels drop too low, muscles can weaken and bones can become more sensitive to pain. Some studies even link chronic lower back pain with vitamin D deficiency. And over time, weak muscles increase the risk of falls and injuries, especially as people age. That's why doctors often check vitamin D levels in patients with unexplained body pain. But there's another warning sign that affects not just the body, but also the mind. Low vitamin D can also affect your mood and mental health. If you've been feeling unusually sad, unmotivated, or mentally drained, vitamin D deficiency could be playing a role. Vitamin D helps regulate neurotransmitters in the brain, including serotonin, the chemical linked to happiness and emotional balance. Low levels have been associated with mood disorders, including depression. This is one reason many people feel more depressed during winter months when sunlight exposure drops. Your brain, just like your bones and muscles, depends on vitamin D to function properly. Ignoring these emotional warning signs could mean missing an important signal from your body. But here's the good news. Vitamin D deficiency is often easy to correct if you know what to do. Let's look at a few science-backed ways to protect your health. The first solution is safe sunlight exposure. Your skin produces vitamin D naturally when exposed to sunlight. Just 10 to 30 minutes of sunlight several times a week can help many people maintain healthy vitamin D levels. However, factors like skin tone, age, sunscreen use, and geographical location can affect how much vitamin D your body produces. That's why some people, especially those who spend most of their time indoors, may still struggle with low levels. And that leads us to the next important step. The second solution is vitamin D-rich foods. While food alone usually isn't enough to meet your full vitamin D needs, it can still help support healthy levels. Some of the best natural sources include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Egg yolks, fortified milk, and fortified cereals can also contribute small amounts. These foods help reinforce your body's supply of vitamin D, especially during seasons with less sunlight. But sometimes even diet and sunlight aren't enough, which brings us to the third solution. The third solution is vitamin D supplementation. Many doctors recommend vitamin D supplements for people who have confirmed deficiency or limited sunlight exposure. Supplements can help restore healthy levels and reduce the risk of bone loss, fatigue, and immune weakness. However, it's important not to self-dose blindly. Too much vitamin D can also cause problems. That's why health professionals often suggest getting a blood test first to determine your exact vitamin D levels. Once you know your numbers, the right dose becomes much clearer, and this simple step can dramatically improve long-term health. Your body constantly sends signals about what it needs. Persistent fatigue, frequent illness, unexplained pain, low mood. These may not just be random symptoms. They could be warning signs that your body is lacking one of the most important nutrients for long-term health, vitamin D. Ignoring these signals can slowly weaken bones, muscles, immunity, and even mental health. But the good news is that small lifestyle changes can make a huge difference. A little sunlight, better nutrition, and when needed, proper supplementation. These simple steps may help restore energy, strengthen immunity, and protect your health for years to come. So take a moment today to ask yourself, is your body getting the vitamin D it needs? If you found this information helpful, share it with someone who might need it, and start paying attention to the signals your body sends. Because sometimes the smallest nutrient deficiencies can lead to the biggest health problems if ignored.